Hi everyone, and welcome to episode 3 of learning how to crochet. In this episode we're learning the double crochet stitch. I use the double crochet stitch all the time in mostly all my projects. So what we'll need is a ball of yarn, a pair of scissors and a crochet hook. So let's get started by finding the end of our yarn, and first we're going to make a slip knot. So we'll place our hook in the slip knot and do 13 chain stitches to start. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Try not to make them too tight like I have. 10, 11, 12, 13. To make a double crochet stitch, we're going to wrap the yarn around our hook, then place our crochet hook in the 4th chain stitch from our crochet hook to start the row. Then wrap the yarn around our crochet hook, pull back through, wrap the yarn around your crochet hook, pull through the first 2 loops, wrap the yarn around the crochet hook and pull through the last 2 loops, and then repeat into the next chain stitch. Continue to the end of the row, which should make 10 double chain stitch in the row, and we'll see you at the end of the row. Now we've made it to the end of our row, we're going to do 3 chain stitches and turn our work over and work our way back. Now that we've turned our work over, that 3 chain stitches will act as our first double crochet. So you've now learned how to do the double crochet. If you're not quite there, keep practicing, you'll get there. And thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next episode.